Yo, what up, YouTube? I just decided to make a quick video on this battery replacement for the key fob. My battery pretty much shot. It's to the point where I always gotta use my Chevy app to open up my doors. And it's pretty embarrassing, honestly. So I just wanna make a quick little video on how to change the battery in the fob. And yeah, let's get to it. So, all right, so real quick, you need a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, the key fob obviously, and then a replacement battery. The part number is CR2032. That's the AC Delco number. I got this, I can't remember, I think from the dealer. All right, so basically all you're gonna do is press your button, pop your key out, boom, like that. This big part right here, you're gonna use this side of the key, stick it right in there just like that. Push it real hard and you're gonna hear a snap. And see, it came open right there. Just use your key fob, your flathead to pry it open. Just like that. And then open it up. Boom, just like so. Pop this one out. Boom. Open up your new one. Make sure the positive side, which is the side with the number on it, make sure that's facing downward. Push that down in there. Flip it back over like so. And then snap everything back in there. Make sure everything's snapped. Snap, snap. Just like so. Put your key back in it. Boom. And you're good to go. Just like that. This is probably my second time changing this thing out, and probably, I don't know, probably close to a year actually. But it's shot. So there you go. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Just want to make a quick video on how to change this thing out. All right, y'all. Peace.